初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I can't hear anything now.
I can't hear anything now.
我现在什么都听不见。
I can't hear anything now.
I can't hear anything now.
Your mic is still muted.
Your mic is still muted.
你的麦克风还是静音的。
Your mic is still muted.
Your mic is still muted.
Can you unmute yourself?
Can you unmute yourself?
你能取消静音吗？
Can you unmute yourself?
Can you unmute yourself?
Please turn on your camera.
Please turn on your camera.
请打开你的摄像头。
Please turn on your camera.
Please turn on your camera.
I forgot to join the meeting.
I forgot to join the meeting.
我忘记参加会议了。
I forgot to join the meeting.
I forgot to join the meeting.
The screen just froze again.
The screen just froze again.
屏幕又卡住了。
The screen just froze again.
The screen just froze again.
I got kicked out suddenly.
I got kicked out suddenly.
我突然被踢出去了。
I got kicked out suddenly.
I got kicked out suddenly.
My Wi-Fi is too weak.
My Wi-Fi is too weak.
我的 WiFi 信号太弱了。
My Wi-Fi is too weak.
My Wi-Fi is too weak.
You're lagging really badly.
You're lagging really badly.
你卡得非常厉害。
You're lagging really badly.
You're lagging really badly.
The sound keeps cutting out.
The sound keeps cutting out.
声音一直断断续续。
The sound keeps cutting out.
The sound keeps cutting out.
Can we use the chat box?
Can we use the chat box?
我们可以用聊天框吗？
Can we use the chat box?
Can we use the chat box?
I'll type my question here.
I'll type my question here.
我会在这里输入我的问题。
I'll type my question here.
I'll type my question here.
Please share your screen now.
Please share your screen now.
现在请分享你的屏幕。
Please share your screen now.
Please share your screen now.
Let me try sharing mine.
Let me try sharing mine.
让我试试分享我的屏幕。
Let me try sharing mine.
Let me try sharing mine.
I can't see the slides.
I can't see the slides.
我看不到幻灯片。
I can't see the slides.
I can't see the slides.
Where is the hand raise button?
Where is the hand raise button?
举手按钮在哪里？
Where is the hand raise button?
Where is the hand raise button?
Breakout rooms aren't working.
Breakout rooms aren't working.
分组讨论是不起作用。
Breakout rooms aren't working.
Breakout rooms aren't working.
I joined the wrong room.
I joined the wrong room.
我进错房间了。
I joined the wrong room.
I joined the wrong room.
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
我们休息一会儿吧。
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
Be back in 10 minutes.
Be back in 10 minutes.
10分钟后回来。
Be back in 10 minutes.
Be back in 10 minutes.
Can you repeat that part?
Can you repeat that part?
你能重复那部分吗？
Can you repeat that part?
Can you repeat that part?
I missed the last sentence.
I missed the last sentence.
我没听到最后一句话。
I missed the last sentence.
I missed the last sentence.
The link doesn't work anymore.
The link doesn't work anymore.
这个链接失效了。
The link doesn't work anymore.
The link doesn't work anymore.
Please resend the meeting link.
Please resend the meeting link.
请重新发送会议链接。
Please resend the meeting link.
Please resend the meeting link.
What platform are we using?
What platform are we using?
我们在用什么平台？
What platform are we using?
What platform are we using?
I need the class code.
I need the class code.
我需要班级代码。
I need the class code.
I need the class code.
My screen went black again.
My screen went black again.
我的屏幕又黑了。
My screen went black again.
My screen went black again.
This file won't open here.
This file won't open here.
这个文件在这里打不开。
This file won't open here.
This file won't open here.
I uploaded it just now.
I uploaded it just now.
我刚上传了它。
I uploaded it just now.
I uploaded it just now.
I'll check the email later.
I'll check the email later.
我稍后会查看邮件。
I'll check the email later.
I'll check the email later.
Sorry, I was distracted.
Sorry, I was distracted.
抱歉，我分心了。
Sorry, I was distracted.
Sorry, I was distracted.
I had to restart Zoom.
I had to restart Zoom.
我不得不重启 Zoom。
I had to restart Zoom.
I had to restart Zoom.
My camera isn't working.
My camera isn't working.
我的摄像头坏了。
My camera isn't working.
My camera isn't working.
I can't turn on audio.
I can't turn on audio.
我无法打开音频。
I can't turn on audio.
I can't turn on audio.
Is the class still going?
Is the class still going?
课程还在继续吗？
Is the class still going?
Is the class still going?
What did I miss today?
What did I miss today?
我今天错过了什么？
What did I miss today?
What did I miss today?
The teacher hasn't arrived yet.
The teacher hasn't arrived yet.
老师还没到。
The teacher hasn't arrived yet.
The teacher hasn't arrived yet.
I'm using my phone now.
I'm using my phone now.
我现在在用手机。
I'm using my phone now.
I'm using my phone now.
Let's meet offline someday.
Let's meet offline someday.
我们改天线下见面吧。
Let's meet offline someday.
Let's meet offline someday.
Finally, class is over.
Finally, class is over.
终于下课了。
Finally, class is over.
Finally, class is over.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。